Hi, everyone, and welcome to Voiceflow. We make it easy to design, prototype, and build Alexa skills and Google Actions all in one place visually without having to code. Now, we are for designers and developers who want to make it super easy to build voice interfaces, as well as hobbyists and entrepreneurs who want to be able to build and launch voice apps without needing to hire engineers or code it themselves. So over the next 10 to 15 videos, we're going to build both Google Actions and Alexa skills. However, we are going to have a heavier emphasis on Google Actions for this series. So let's dive right in. I'm at getvoiceflow.com right now, which is where you can find Voiceflow, and I'm going to log in and sign into my account. So I already have an account all built, so I'm going to log in right now, and here we are on our dashboard. Now, the dashboard is all the different projects I'm currently working on, and where we're going to be doing this tutorial series is within this project right here called Voiceflow U. You can't see it right now because my face is covering it, but if you want to get started, you can hit New Project, and you'll be able to name your project, select a region. So we'll do this here. I'll say Sampled. And we have a whole bunch of different templates that you can check out to get started from super easily. You can also preview these templates if you want to see what they look like before you try them out. But for the case of this video series, we're going to use this existing project I already have called Voiceflow U, which stands for Voiceflow University. So we'll log in here, and there we are. Now, if you do not know what Google Actions and Alexa skills are, they're essentially voice apps that run on either the Google Assistant or Alexa. And so you can think of these very much like mobile apps that run on smart speakers. There are visual components to some voice apps, and we're going to get into how to add visuals to your voice apps later in the series. But for the duration of it, we're going to be teaching you how to build basic skills and get slowly more advanced as we sort of go along. All right, that is the basic premise. Once you are logged into Voiceflow, all signed up and on your canvas, I'll see you in the next video to go over some of the basic topics. We'll see you there.